had to do this again because I got interrupted. But anyway, welcome back from spring break. Today is Monday, March 30th. I hope you guys enjoyed your week. I know it probably wasn't that awesome because you got to not hang out with your friends and not to go do things, but I do hope everyone is healthy, and I do hope that you are ready to come back and to work. Right? Anyway, it's time to start school up again. Okay. So Monday, March 30th, we are going to be still doing our daily reading and writing. You guys have got to do this. If you want me to, I will do a video of me reading and writing my paragraphs, and you guys can read and write at the same time, but I think that would be a bit silly. And I'm trying to limit things so you guys don't have to be on the computer all the time doing your schoolwork. Please let me know what's going to work best for you. So reading and writing, read 20 minutes, write your paragraphs. 3 paragraphs, 3-paragraph miniature essay, informational, text to text, text to self, text to world. I think someone's coming in. I hope not. Okay. Text to world, blah, blah, blah. You know what you're supposed to be doing. Don't forget your quote and your citation. Okay. So, next thing. I don't care who interrupts me. If you hear, anyway, whatever. I'm just done. Okay. So, your discussion question. With your discussion question, you need to be answering it by Wednesday. It will be posted Sunday or Monday morning. I will be grading you on whether or not you're answering it thoughtfully and in a full paragraph with your best writing. So make sure you do that, and then by Friday, you need to have responded to at least 2 other students' responses. Then your packet that I sent home with you guys, just a page a day until it's done. Or we'll finish it up in class if we get back to school before you've got it done. Next thing that you guys need to do is we need to go to vocabulary. So vocabulary, hopefully it's on the screen. I'll also be attaching this as a document, so you guys will have all these vocabulary words. Again, sorry that I didn't think to send home your flashcards. So 1 through 20 is 1A, 2B. And 1 through 15 is 3rd period, and 1 through 10 is 4th period. And 4th period, I'm going to be moving you guys along a little bit quickly to get you caught up to 1A, 2B. Next thing that I wanted to do before we went on to the actual lecture, which will be a different video, is I wanted to go into the document that I had you guys set up. It so did not work. So let's take a look at this document. When you create that new document, I want you to do do your last name, English 8 lecture notes. And then this is something you can share with me, and so I can watch and see how you're doing your lecture. So go into File and do Page Setup. Make sure your margins are at 0.5. I think you need that little bit of extra room. Once they're at 0.5, go ahead and go into Insert, Table. You want to have a table that looks like this. And once you have inserted that table, then you can move it around to however you want. Again, this is the Cornell note-taking method. So you can move that around to whatever room that you want. I want you to put big ideas, supporting evidence, and the date. And then this bottom part you can move up and down to fit the full page. So, and this, honestly, this will work so much better than trying to do columns. And then I thought to help you guys out a little bit, you could write down these big ideas and leave space to write down your notes. So these are the things that I want you to take a look at. What is a search engine? Well, I'll be doing an actual lecture. So if you want to take the time now to write those down, you can pause and copy them. Just pause and copy. They're not really going to make much sense until you've had the lecture. And then my conclusion, because remember, at the end of the class, you're supposed to kind of sum up what you read. So this is pretty much what we're going to be doing for today. The next video will go through all of that. I hope things are going well, and please let me know if you're having problems finding other videos or finding anything, but I hope this will be clear. Thanks, you guys.